Did you know that some of the things you do while charging your phone could secretly destroy your battery? Many people damage their smartphone batteries without even realizing it. If your phone battery drains quickly or overheats, your charging habits might be the reason. In this video, we will look at 10 charging mistakes that could be damaging your phone battery and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, using fake chargers. Cheap chargers may look like the original ones, but inside they often lack proper safety circuits. This can cause unstable electricity, overheating, and long-term battery damage. Always try to use original or certified chargers. Mistake number 2, charging your phone under a pillow or blanket. When a phone charges, it naturally produces heat. Covering it with a pillow traps that heat, which can damage the battery over time. Always charge your phone in a well-ventilated area. Mistake number 3, gaming or doing heavy tasks while charging. When you play games or run heavy apps while charging, the phone is charging and discharging at the same time. This creates extra heat and stress on the battery. If possible, avoid heavy usage while charging. Mistake number 4, using damaged charging cables. A broken or worn-out cable can cause unstable power flow. This can lead to slow charging, overheating, or even damage to your charging port. Replace damaged cables immediately. Mistake number 5, letting your battery reach 0% frequently. Modern smartphone batteries do not need to be completely drained. Reaching 0% too often can reduce battery lifespan. It is better to start charging when your battery drops to around 20%. Mistake number 6, keeping your phone at 100% for long periods. Leaving your phone fully charged for many hours can stress the battery. Many experts recommend keeping your battery level between 20 and 80% when possible. Mistake number 7, charging your phone in hot environments. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of lithium batteries. Charging your phone in direct sunlight, hot cars, or very warm rooms can reduce battery health over time. Try to keep your phone cool while charging. Mistake number 8, ignoring a dirty charging port. Dust and debris inside the charging port can block proper charging. This can cause slow charging or charging interruptions. Cleaning the port carefully can help restore proper charging. Mistake number 9, using the wrong charger wattage. Using a charger that does not match your phone's charging requirements can affect charging efficiency. It is best to use chargers recommended for your phone model. Mistake number 10, using extremely cheap power adapters. Very cheap adapters often lack important safety protections. This can lead to overheating, unstable voltage, and potential damage to your phone battery. Taking care of your charging habits can significantly extend your phone's battery life. Avoiding these common mistakes will help keep your phone safer and your battery healthier. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple tech tips and smartphone repair insights.